Hey guys, it's RFCubing. Today I have an unboxing from Amazon.com. So let's get into it. Alright, so let's open this up. Alright, let's put this aside. Okay, here's the cube. So I'm gonna open this up. Alright, so how am I gonna open this? I guess like that. Okay. So this is much bigger than I thought, but that's fine. Okay, wow, that turns really weird. Oh, it just split apart. Okay. Is it split or something? What the heck? Oh. This is weird. Okay. Okay, so it turns like that. You can split it apart. And then you can push it back together. And I think somewhere, push it all the way in, you should be able to turn all, yeah. It's kind of locking up a bit. Okay, this is weird. Alright. So I'm gonna go play with this a bit and I'll get back to you guys later with an overview of this puzzle. Hey guys, I'm back. I've had a little bit of time to play with this cube. It turns really nicely. I've gotten a bit faster at it. I now average like, I don't know, like 20 seconds to like 5 minutes. Because sometimes I can solve a side and I'll still have all of this left to solve and I'll get really unlucky and it takes me 5 minutes to solve it. Or I solve a side and it looks like this. Well, solved. So sometimes you get lucky and sometimes you don't. So I'm gonna go scramble this up and I'll be back with a solve and you can see how it turns with that solve. So let's get into this solve. Alright. Inspection. So first what you want to do is solve a side. Okay, so you have those first two. I'm going to keep on spinning this one until it matches up. So now I push it back together. As you can see, I have this side done. Now I'm going to solve two more edges, or corners. Okay, that was pretty lucky. Oh wait, no, that wasn't lucky. Never mind. Ugh, okay. Let's just keep on turning it. Ugh. Push it back. So it's one away, so I'm going to pull it to the front, and it goes this way. And I make that turn all the way around once, and then push it back in. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, so 1, 2. 1, 2. What the heck? What have I done? I messed up, I think. Maybe. Okay, that was a pretty slow solve, but this cube is really nice. I think I'm going to have a lot of fun with it, and I might do some challenges with it. Maybe like OH somehow. So, this is going to be a really fun puzzle to solve. So I'm really excited to play with this some more, maybe lube it, and I think I've seen some screws in there so you can tension it somewhere. I know there's places that you can tension it in here, but it's going to be a really fun puzzle, so thanks for watching, guys. Bye!